Proud to present you one new event, which is a talk show with one of our own college's founders, or one person who started a startup in our college. He'll have a very natural experience.
I'm Subhajit. I'm currently pursuing my final year, and I'm from 2016 batch. So I started this. The formal name of my company is NatureX Technologies LLP, and people know it as 4Climate because we're currently working on a segment that is going to empower how the future of farming will be in our country. On top, that is the main core vision and idea of our product and the company. And corresponding to that, just relating to the adjacent segments, we have various subsidiaries. So vertical farming or soilless agriculture is a technique of growing fruits and vegetables and leafy greens, whatever is compatible to that one, in NFT or like PVC pipes. Okay, so basically you have a seedling and then you plant it over there, and then you maintain the various different parameters that are required to grow a plant, which includes your temperature, your humidity, your nutrient levels, and light intensity, and all those different factors that are important to grow a plant, right? So our product specifically focuses on designing a control system for vertical farms. So currently we are starting with designing automation devices for pH monitoring, and subsequently we'll be moving towards other parameters such as the electrical conductivity, that is the nutrient, how the nutrient reacts and conducts, and what is the proportion of nutrient mixture in the solution, measuring those parameters. Then water temperature, air temperature, controlling the foggers, humidity of the entire farm, and all those things. We bring this all together, package it into a small product, and then we offer it to the farm so that they can ensure that the plants are being grown successfully and their harvest is we can optimize their harvest and they are able to grow, reduce the crop yield. So suppose the crop takes close to suppose for example 90 days for a harvest. Can we make it more efficient and optimize the process altogether so that a specific crop that grows in 90 days can be done in 50 days? So we're learning and we're training different models for that. So 5 years, I see myself or the entire company doing R&D and developing the various stacks of subsystems that is required to build this vision into a reality. Consider that in the next 10 to 20 years, our country is going to breach that thing. The first green revolution will not be able to sustain or fuel the requirements of the growing population. That is one aspect. Another aspect is, what about climate change? What about the climate change? I'll quote the estimates of Future Farm, which is a leading hydroponic vertical farming company in India. Okay, they were one of the early movers. They said they see India as a $100 billion industry in the next 5 to 10 years. So that's the number they quoted. COVID also accelerated that process. When the entire supply chain was distorted, people were kind of thinking, where are we getting our food from, right? Supply chain did distort in other parts of the country.
Yeah.
So that also accelerated this domain, and right now I think there is no way stopping. Next 5 to 8 years, there is no way stopping hydroponics. And what we are right now focusing is, instead of importing technology from outside to build the hydroponics for our country, why not we as a startup develop the required or necessary technology for that? It's a high risk, high return game. I think the first question on the tool, startups is about high risk, high return.